Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you see my face for the very first time, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for visiting. My name is Joy Ayogu and I'm a YouTuber based in Toronto, Ontario. Consider subscribing to my channel. Is the right hand corner here or here. It's in the right hand corner over there. You see the red subscribe button. Once you click on it, it's going to turn gray and you subscribe. Okay, once you subscribe, remember to hit the bell notification. That way you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Okay, and to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for always coming to watch my video, and thank you for watching this particular video. I highly appreciate you guys. I'm talking fast because I don't want this intro to be so long. This is a challenge video. Who challenged us? There's a challenge by Sisiyemmi. If you don't know who Sisiyemmi is, I will leave her information in the description so you can go and watch her. But just be one, once you go to watch her, you're going to be addicted. You're not going to be able to leave because she dishes out urishi on her channel. Sisiyemmi is a Nigerian YouTuber based in Lagos with her family, and she has come up with this challenge to feed your family on a budget of one I don't know why I'm laughing. On a budget of 1,500 naira. Okay guys, 1,500 naira is the equivalent of $5.25 Canadian cents. Okay guys, I don't want this intro to be so long. Like I said, it's over a minute already, so I want to take you guys go shopping. This is a real challenge. What can I buy with $5.25, $5.25? I don't know, but I'm going to take you guys to the market, to the supermarket. Unfortunately, this is not like Nigerian market where you can bargain. There's no bargaining. Whatever you see is whatever you pay, plus you have to pay tax on top of that. So this challenge, I am laughing, but it's serious. Okay, let's go ahead and see what we can buy with $5.25. I don't want to take too much of your time or my time. Let's go ahead and go shopping, guys. So guys, I'm here at the grocery store now, and I'm just looking at the prices of things. I'm actually confused. I don't know whether to go with the fresh produce or to go. I've been thinking since I was coming, I'm thinking, what am I going to make? I'm thinking of making some pasta, so I'm looking at this broccoli. Now the price of the broccoli, see here. I'm going to take one and see. I will show you guys once I finish everything and see what I get. So I'm gonna take one of this. Let's see here. Yeah. Obviously we can't afford to buy the meat. The meats are too expensive for us. So we're gonna skip meat for today. Keep on going. So this is not bad. The pastas are not bad. This is 99 cents. So either I get spaghetti, I think I will get this one, which is 99 cents a dollar, or I can get these ones, which is also the same price. I don't know which one to get, but I will definitely get the cheap option, the cheaper ones. This is marinara sauce, but this is $3, so this one is not going to work. If I go with this option, this is already $2.20. If I go with this one, it's $2.27. That will be $3.27. Plus guys, we have to add the tax. Okay, there's 13% tax that has to be added onto whatever you bought. Or I can go with this one, which is $1. Yeah, I think I will go with this one. This is $1.57. Tomato with basil with extra virgin olive oil. I think I'll go with this one. This will be a safe option for me. Then there's lots other ones too. This one is pasta sauce. This is a challenge. This is a difficult challenge, trying to buy everything within $5. But guys, I have to do quickly and get home and start cooking before the kids come back. So guys, I am finally back from my grocery shopping, and this is all that I was able to purchase for $5.25. Let me show you my receipt. This is my receipt. Down there you see $5.26. However, we don't use 1 cent anymore. So I paid $5.25, and the reason why it actually went up to this amount is because of the plastic bag, which cost 5 cents, as well as 5% tax. So in total, the food on its own actually cost $5.15. But this is all that you're looking at here, is all that I purchased, nothing else. This is a tomato sauce with basil that I'm going to be using to make the tomato sauce. And I wanted to add some kind of fresh vegetable. This was the cheapest vegetable that I could purchase, which is $1.67. If you look over here, it's $1.67. And then onion, I was looking for the smallest onion to buy, but this is the smallest that I could find, and this was $1.24. And then the pasta only cost 72 cents. So thank God that the pasta was very cheap. But this is all the item that I was able to purchase for $5.15. Didn't buy oil. Obviously I could not buy oil with the budget, but I am going to be borrowing some oil from my kitchen, as well as black pepper and oregano and salt. Obviously I will use salt to season it, but that's all I'm going to be using to make this dinner. This is a challenge. It is very difficult to actually feed a family on this amount of money here, but people live on this amount of money every day, even less on this amount of money every day. So let's see how we're going to do today. Ingredients: the tomato sauce. It's actually a lot of tomato sauce, but I'm going to let it cook down a little bit and then see if I will add some water. I'm just chopping up the rest of my broccoli that I'm going to boil together or blanch together with the pasta, just to give it, just to have some fresh vegetable and give it some nice bright green color. And my my two daughters, they love broccoli, so that's my broccoli to go. This is actually a lot of pasta. I don't know whether I should make all of it. So it's a family of 5. Well, this is a lot of pasta, plus I'm going to be adding the broccoli, so I think this is enough. This is the remainder. This is what is remaining from the whole pasta. So yeah, so I'm right now adding my broccoli just to blanch it, because the kids, even me, I don't like broccoli when it's raw, but I'm gonna blanch it a little bit, cook a little bit, and then I will drain it. Ready? I'm just going to drain it, and that's it. Yeah, it's not looking bad. Let's go ahead and combine the tomato sauce with our pasta. Well guys, it's not looking bad. It's not a bad looking dish, but the kids are the one that are going to tell us what it tastes like. So this is our final product. This is our final dinner, a dinner for 5. I still have a whole lot in the pot. All right, Victoria, now that you finished eating the pasta, can you tell us how was it today?
It was very yummy.
It was very yummy. Did you notice there was no meat? There was no chicken. There was no beef? No. What made it yummy?
Because you put broccoli.
Because I put broccoli. You love broccoli. Yeah, guys.
Yes, it's healthy anyway.
And tomatoes. So guys, that's our verdict. Even though it was a vegan dish, just $5, but the kids, they loved it. Like, the pot is now empty actually. So thank you, Sisiyemmi, for giving us this challenge. This is a challenge that I will actually continue to implement in our family. It saves us money, but also, guys, just remember that a whole lot of people, a great percentage of the world population lives under poverty. A great population of the world live under $1 a day, which is breakfast, lunch, dinner, and everything in between. And here we are actually struggling. I struggle to actually come up with this meal within $5, Canadian dollars. How about you? How did you think?
Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Thank you for watching, and stay safe and remain blessed. Bye.